room 6473 of the Fontainebleau Las Vegas, and this is a Bleau King Mountain Best View. There's a bit of a handful. We've just got off the plane, dropped his bags here. Just thought I'd give you a room tour while it's all nice and straight. Love the room already, it's massive. Our first time to Fontainebleau, as you'll know. Bit late to the party. Let's do bathroom first. Huge shower, standalone shower as you walk in, perfect. Next to the loo, don't need to go into detail in loo, you've all seen one of those before. Love the sink area, one full sink, but it's a twin sink, I like that, it's really nice. Huge mirror, ignore me, I've just got off a 10-hour flight. All the usual bits and pieces, shower gels, lotions, the Fontainebleau logos embedded on everything, which is a really cool touch in this place. Dryer, plenty of towels, huge tub. This is a cool looking mirror above it, and these gowns are really good quality, so get out at tub and no doubt get one of those on. As you come out of the bathroom, this mirror is absolutely ginormous right here. Just bypass the connecting door into the main room. Beautiful big room, love the colours. Gorgeous hotel, and we're right here on 64th floor as well. It's really high, as you'll see in a moment when I take you to the window. Great artwork, little couch and stand, side tables with everything you need, pens which I'm pretty sure Claire will swipe and get in bag, all your mod cons, everything for your curtains and your blinds. I've already got those open ready for this video. This is a really cool like mirror stroke artwork there above the bed. Of course it's a massive king bed, super comfortable. With a stand at the side, it's got all the things that you need for your media. People like me obviously like to get things plugged in. You've got even USB-C ports and regular USBs there, always handy for more modern technology. Regular plug sockets down here. Nice lamp. Just swing you around this way first before we go to the windows. Really nice media unit, huge LG TV. All your payable items, of course, there. Bucket and glasses here, little logos again. All massive empty drawers right there, 4 of them. And come in here, open these 2 cabinets. That's the mini bar, don't be touching. And then this drawer, it's really cool. It's a fridge unit. You can get plenty of bits and pieces and bottles in there, and then you've got what you need in the top. All those Dicky Bow Fontainebleau logos everywhere again. Just at the side is the double wardrobe. I'm guessing there's a safes on the wall. Not a fan of those side safes, but it'll do. Slippers, mod cons, more gowns, and that'll be a steamer up there. I think they have a steamer rather than irons in this property. And as I say, we're on the 64th floor. We've got the table and chairs right there. I've got the drapes open already, and check that out, right above the convention centre. Again, this is a mountain best view room. We've got the west gate just there to the side of us, all the mountains in the background. I'll just zoom a little bit onto normal zoom right there. There's the Sphere, golf course behind the Win and Encore, and the wheel in the distance. Beautiful view, because this is not classed as a strip view room, but it's just as good in my opinion, can't beat it. I'm sure I'll get some awesome shots out of there at night time. But yeah, not complaining at all with this room. Lovely property. We've got 3 nights in here. So there you are guys, that's a Bleau King Mountain Best View room here at Fontainebleau Las Vegas. And it's going to be an awesome stay. And with that being said, I shall see you in the next one. Take care.